Have you ever tried to build something with AI only to get stuck with a pile of random documents? PDFs, PowerPoints, Excel sheets, they're everywhere, and your AI just can't make sense of them. It's a common pain point for anyone working with large language models or trying to create smart systems. The challenge isn't just about having information, but about making it accessible and usable for both machines and humans. This is where many projects hit a wall, and it's a problem that's been begging for a real solution. Microsoft saw this struggle and introduced MarkItDown, a tool designed to bridge the gap between scattered documents and AI understanding. Think of it as a universal translator, but for file formats. Whether you have PDFs, Word docs, PowerPoints, or even images and audio, MarkItDown converts them into clean, readable Markdown. This makes your content instantly more accessible to AI models and much easier for your team to read and edit. It's a game changer for anyone drowning in digital paperwork. Unlike other conversion tools that often mangle your documents, MarkItDown preserves the structure that matters. Headings stay as headings, tables remain readable, and lists don't turn into a mess. This attention to detail is why MarkItDown quickly gained over 60,000 stars on GitHub. Developers love that it doesn't just convert files, it understands what makes documents useful, keeping your information organized and easy to work with. Here's a secret. Markdown is the native language for most large language models. Tools like GPT-4 and Claude were trained on massive amounts of Markdown content. When you feed them Markdown, they instantly understand the structure and meaning, making your AI smarter and more accurate. Plus, Markdown is easy for humans to read and edit, so your team benefits too. It's a win-win for both sides. Every company dreams of having a chatbot that truly understands their business. But if your knowledge is scattered across different file types, your bot is left clueless. With MarkItDown, you can convert your entire documentation library into Markdown, making it ready for AI-powered search and Q&A. No more bots that say, "Sorry, I don't know." Instead, you get a chatbot that actually knows your stuff. Many organizations have years of important information locked away in old Word docs or PDFs. These files are hard to search and even harder to use. MarkItDown helps you rescue this valuable content by converting legacy documents into Markdown. Suddenly, your company's history becomes searchable, editable, and ready for the future. MarkItDown isn't just for text documents. It can also process images and audio files. By connecting with AI models like GPT-4, it can describe images and transcribe audio recordings. This means meeting notes, whiteboard photos, and even voice memos can all become part of your searchable knowledge base. We've all been in meetings that get recorded and then forgotten. With MarkItDown, those recordings can be converted into readable, searchable text. This transforms meeting audio into actionable knowledge, ensuring that important discussions don't get lost and everyone stays in the loop. Getting started with MarkItDown is refreshingly easy. With just a single command, you can install everything you need. Using it is just as simple 3 lines of code, and you're ready to convert your first document. Even complex PDFs can be handled by connecting MarkItDown to Azure Document Intelligence, making it flexible for advanced needs. MarkItDown is built to be flexible. If you encounter a file format it doesn't support, you can extend its capabilities with plugins. This is especially useful for companies that use specialized or outdated document types. The plugin system ensures that MarkItDown can grow with your needs. Have a folder with hundreds of documents? MarkItDown can process them all at once. Set up a batch job and let it convert everything while you grab a coffee. This bulk processing capability saves time and ensures that no document gets left behind, making large-scale migrations a breeze. MarkItDown shines in several areas. It handles a wide range of formats, keeps your documents organized, and works seamlessly with AI. Its plugin system makes it easy to extend, and its multimodal abilities mean it can process text, images, and audio. For most document conversion needs, it's a reliable and powerful choice. No tool is perfect, and MarkItDown has its quirks. OCR-less PDFs, those that are just images, can be problematic. Complex formatting in some documents may not convert perfectly. Image descriptions require AI integration, and the tool relies on several third-party libraries, which can complicate setup. Still, for most use cases, these are manageable trade-offs. MarkItDown isn't just for individuals. It can be integrated into company workflows. Build APIs with frameworks like Flask, or set up robust document processing pipelines that handle errors gracefully. This flexibility makes it suitable for both small teams and large enterprises looking to modernize their document management. MarkItDown won't solve every problem, but it's a lifesaver for anyone dealing with document chaos. It's open source, actively maintained by Microsoft, and has a thriving community. With a quick setup and no cost, it's worth trying, especially if you're working with AI or need to tame a wild collection of files. At worst, you'll learn about a handy tool. At best, you'll finally have control over your documents and unlock new possibilities for your team and your AI projects.